channel. In today's video, I want to talk about the things film director and screenwriter will do. But before I start it, I want to thank all the new subscribers to my channel. Thank you so much. Every time I feel like give up or take too many time and energy making the video and I feel overwhelmed, there will be 1 or 2 people subscribe to my channel. When I see that even just 1 subscribers, it will make me have those energy to keep me going to make more videos. And so thank you so much. To talk about the things that a film director and screenwriter will do, I did a whole bunch of research on this topic this time. And okay, Booger, don't touch my camera. Alright. He wants snuggle. Okay. Yo, Booger's coming. His name is Booger. Wow, that's because when I find him on the street, his eyes was covered by boogers. Do you call that booger? Like eye booger? I don't know. And he couldn't even open his eyes. He was a baby and now so big. Okay. Every clips I used in this video, I will link the resource down below so you can check them out if you are interested. Okay, now let's talk about the topic. What are the things film director, screenwriter would do? Number 1, just writing. Yeah, writing. You can take notes, you can actually write in the script, you can write in paragraph, or if you met stories, just write them down. You can do on whatever device you want. Could it be a laptop or a typewriter if you're a fancy person. Or pen and paper if you feel that will inspire you more.
本当に映画作りたいんだったら、その脚本を書きなさいと。あれはこう。癖っていうか平均で書けるようにならないと退屈な作業が。
And if you did a survey the last 25 years and looked at the first films of directors, I would say a large percentage of those films, those directors wrote that script. So I think that's a big clue.
Number 2, reading. Read a lot. Read as much as you can. Read not just filmmaking books, but histories, literatures, poems, politics, anything, any topic that you are interested in. I think a poem is a very interesting one because it will help you open up your imaginations. Also, it will be very good if you use them in a dialogue. Sometimes.
今のね人たちはね本読んでない。ロシア文学なんかちゃんと読んでる人いないんじゃないですか。これはやっぱりそれをやっぱり全部ある程度読んでいかないとね。
Of course, read. If you don't read, you will never make a great film. And I do have a mandatory reading list, but has nothing to do with cinema. It has to do with poetry, beginning Antiquity in Rome, Virgil, Georgics, about life in the country, about agriculture, or old Nordic poetry, or even the Warren Commission report on the assassination of Kennedy.
Number 3, thinking. I think it's very important to learn to be a thinker. Learn to find the connection between things. The more you think, the stronger your perspective will be, and it will help you form your unique voice that can reach as much as audience as possible.
You think a broad mind matters?
Conceptually thinking.
Take something useful, philosophy, history, English. Learn to have thoughts, because there's no point in making movies if you're just imitating other people, if you have no thoughts of your own that you're trying to get out of your system.
Number 4, watch movies. Watch a lot of movies. Watch as much as you can, especially old movies, because valuable knowledge can stand the test of time.
All of us, whether we know it or not, are learning from and upon whose shoulders we stand. And so I do a lot of looking back and a lot of, understanding what makes a good story. You need to look at the old films.
Number 5, go out to shoot. Just go out to make your movies. Everybody starts from zero. Every famous director, even now, when they're making new movies, they make mistakes and then they learn from their experience. So go out to make your movies, tell your stories. Once you're finished, watch your movies with your audience, watch their reactions, and also learn from your mistakes.
The only piece of advice I know how to give anybody is make a film. I don't care if it's a 8mm film. If you can borrow somebody's camera, go make a film. I don't know what else to say.
It's so much easier now to make a film, technically, that the things that were really difficult for my generation and up until fairly recently were the cost of shooting on film and things like that, and the ability to go to a laboratory and blah blah blah. So that's not a problem anymore, because we all know that all you need is a laptop and a video camera.
The communal experience is always important. You can make a film on a camera the size of that doorknob and still show it to 1,600 people in an audience. It's still a great communal experience.
The last one, and I think it's the most important one, stop complaining. Trust your vision and then take a stand for yourself.
I think self-reliance. Everybody's complaining, the industry is so stupid. I do not get the money together, and so I say, roll up your sleeves. Work as a bouncer in a sex club, as a warden in a lunatic asylum, half a year. You earn $10,000, $20,000 and you can make a feature film today. There's no excuse anymore.
Make your own industry. Recreate movies. Don't pay attention to the industry. Do your own thing.
Is so terrible as a pretentious movie. I mean, a movie that aspires for something really terrific and doesn't pull it off is shit, it's scum. And everyone will walk on it as such. And that's why poor filmmakers, in a way, that's their greatest horror, is to be pretentious. So here you are, on one hand, is trying to aspire to really do something. On the other hand, you're not allowed to be pretentious. And finally you say, fuck it. I don't care if I'm pretentious or not pretentious, or if I've done it or I haven't done it. All I know is that I am going to see this movie.
These are all the tips I have here. If you have more idea on what a screenwriter, film director should do, you can comment down below. Do you like this video? Please give me a thumbs up if you do. And if you like this channel, please subscribe. I'm going to at least release a video every other Thursday. So if you are interested, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!